If you're like most people, then the way you start your day can have a massive impact on how well your day goes. If you eat the wrong things in the morning, you may find yourself hungry and tired within an hour or two. And even worse, you may find yourself reaching for that first dessert that catches your eye just to get some quick sugar. So if you want to stay energized, focused, and feeling great all day long, then what you eat in the morning is extremely important. In today's video, we're going to show you the top 10 morning foods that will keep you energized and satisfied all day long. These are super easy to prepare in advance, so that you do not have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and none of these foods contain any added sugars. So let's jump in and see what these foods are. Number 1. Smashed avocado. One of the best foods you can eat in the morning is smashed avocado. Avocados are a superfood because they contain healthy fats, fiber, and an array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Plus, avocados also happen to be one of the most filling foods there is. In fact, a study found that eating avocado improves satiety and reduces hunger and desire to eat for up to 5 hours after consumption. This is probably due to avocados being rich in monosaturated fatty acids, which have been shown to help regulate appetite and promote weight loss. But even if you aren't trying to lose weight, you'll simply feel full and satisfied after eating avocados, which means you won't be tempted to snack mindlessly throughout the morning. Now, the easiest way to prepare smashed avocado is to take half an avocado, mash it up with a fork, and add a little salt and pepper to taste. You can either spread this mixture onto your favorite bread, or eat it straight out of the bowl. Either way, it's delicious. No. 2. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is hands down one of the best breakfast options there is. Not only does it contain all essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, but it's also packed with calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. It's also high in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. And those who consume a diet rich in probiotics have been shown to experience improved digestion, boosted immunity, and even better mental health. Plus, Greek yogurt is also very filling due to its high protein content. In fact, it has been shown that eating a high-protein breakfast like Greek yogurt can promote fullness and reduce calorie intake at lunch. And finally, to make this breakfast even healthier, you can add berries such as blueberries and strawberries. Berries are low in sugar, yet high in antioxidants and phytonutrients that support heart health, brain health, and longevity. And best of all, they taste absolutely amazing when paired with Greek yogurt. No. 3. Whole grain toast with nut butter. Next up is whole grain toast with nut butter. If you love the taste of peanut butter, almond butter, or any nut butter, then this is a great option for you. It consists of 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 tablespoon of nut butter, and a sprinkle of sea salt. You can also add something sweet like honey if you'd like. Now, this snack provides a nice balance of complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein. The carbs provide energy, the fat keeps you full and satisfied, and the protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels. And if you choose almond butter instead of peanut butter, you'll also get a good amount of vitamin E and magnesium. Just be sure to use a nut butter that doesn't contain any added sugars or unhealthy oils. Otherwise, it won't be as healthy. Number 4. Scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Another excellent breakfast option is scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. This meal contains a great balance of nutrients and is very satisfying. Eggs are one of nature's multivitamin tablets, as they contain all the essential amino acids, fatty acids, and plenty of vitamins and minerals, like vitamin D, choline, selenium, and vitamin A. Spinach and tomatoes also provide unique nutrients that are not found in eggs, including vitamin K, magnesium, potassium, and beta-carotene. And this meal is also very easy to make. Simply scramble up some eggs, throw in a handful of spinach and tomatoes, cook until the spinach wilts, and enjoy. If you want to make this recipe ahead of time, you can do that too. Just reheat it before serving. No. 5. Chia seed pudding. If you're looking for a delicious breakfast that will keep you full for hours, then chia seed pudding is a perfect option. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and healthy fats, which slows down digestion and promotes fullness. Plus, chia seeds are also a complete protein source and contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. And that's not all. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support heart health. To make this recipe, combine 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of milk or milk alternative in a bowl. Let it sit for 2 hours or overnight. Then you can enjoy this tasty pudding with your favorite toppings, such as berries, nuts, or shredded coconut. No. 6. Sweet potato breakfast hash. Next up is sweet potato breakfast hash. This is a super simple dish made with diced sweet potatoes, onions, and bell peppers. It can be served hot or cold and makes for a delicious breakfast, brunch, or meal prep option. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, while onions and bell peppers add vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. To make this recipe, you can dice up all the ingredients and toss them in a pan with a little olive oil. Cook on medium heat until the sweet potatoes are tender and slightly seasoned with salt and pepper to taste and enjoy. You can also add other veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, or kale to make this meal even more nutritious. 7. Leftover dinner. Eating leftovers is a great way to save time and money, especially if you already have a healthy dinner prepped. Having a healthy dinner the night before can save you a lot of time in the morning and prevent you from reaching for the first unhealthy option you come across. So if you've got a healthy dinner left over, like chicken, brown rice, and steamed vegetables, that's a great breakfast option. Or if you have something like a lentil soup, chili, or shepherd's pie, these can also be fantastic breakfast choices. Of course, if you don't have any leftovers, you can always prep a healthy meal the night before. That way, you'll have a nutritious breakfast ready to go in the morning. 8. Smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls are a nutrient-dense breakfast option that can keep you energized all morning long. They're basically a smoothie that's thick enough to be eaten with a spoon, and they can be customized with endless different ingredients. For example, you can use bananas and berries to make a sweet smoothie bowl, or spinach and avocado to make a savory one. Smoothie bowls are typically made with bananas, berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, which means they're packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats. Now, there are many ways to make a smoothie bowl. You can use frozen fruit and veggies, fresh fruit and veggies, nut butter, or honey for sweetness, or you can skip the added sugars altogether. For example, you can make a green smoothie bowl with spinach, banana, and almond milk, or a berry smoothie bowl with mixed berries, yogurt, and chia seeds. Number 9. Oatmeal with nuts and seeds. Oatmeal is a breakfast staple for a reason. It's affordable, filling, and very versatile. Oatmeal is high in fiber, which keeps you full for hours and supports healthy digestion. Plus, oatmeal is also a good source of manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. Now, there are many ways to prepare oatmeal, but the key is to avoid adding sugar or unhealthy toppings. Instead, you can add healthy toppings such as nuts, seeds, and spices. For example, you can sprinkle some almonds, walnuts, or pistachios on top of your oatmeal for added crunch and nutrients. You can also add flax seeds or chia seeds for extra fiber and protein. And finally, you can use cinnamon, nutmeg, or ginger to add flavor without adding sugar. Number 10. Cottage cheese with fruit. Last but certainly not least is cottage cheese with fruit. This is a simple breakfast that's high in protein and calcium. Cottage cheese is made from milk that's been curdled and separated into solid and liquid parts. The solid part is what we eat as cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein and calcium, which is important for strong bones and teeth. It's also high in phosphorus and vitamin B12+. It contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. To make this recipe, simply combine half a cup of cottage cheese with half a cup of your favorite fruit. You can use fresh or frozen fruit, and you can mix and match flavors to make this dish as tasty as possible. For example, you can pair strawberry with banana or blueberry with raspberry. So there you have it. The top 10 morning foods that you should eat every day. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and comment below to let us know which of these breakfast options you're excited to try. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And you can click here to see another one of our videos that shows you what happens to your body. If you only eat healthy fats for 14 days,